Hello, this is Matt, and this is the official unboxing. If you remember previously, I told you about my disaster outside trying to melt metal, but this is something that we can actually work on together. This is the unboxing from the Silver Warrior. He sent me something. I know what part of it is. I don't know what the rest is. So you are going to see with me what is inside. The anticipation is building. Like something's gonna pop out, guys. Here we go. Feel a couple items. Oh wow, look at this. And he's got it in a beautiful capsule too. So we have that 5-ounce beautiful Aztec calendar. Beautiful stuff. And this, a Drachma. Wow. Colossus of Rhodes. He mentioned there was something that's ancient and shiny, which is kind of a paradox. What do you think of this? My son's here to look at it. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. It's beautiful, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
But Daddy, you have to go upstairs for my eyes closed.
We have to go take a nap?
No, you have to come upstairs and play for my eye closed.
Okay, we'll do Legos until you go to sleep. Watch this though, look. Look at this beautiful thing. That is John F. Kennedy. Oh. So leave this. This is John F. Kennedy. This is an... Wow.
How do you know his name?
This is a 1 troy ounce John F. Kennedy. We love John F. Kennedy on the 90%. We love John F. Kennedy on the 40%. And being that we're from Fort Worth, there's also the Dealey Plaza down in Dallas. So there's some connection to JFK. And plus the moon. You know, we will go to the moon. We love JFK, don't we, bud? Mm-hmm. Yep.
And Daddy?
All right, well, this is amazing. I can't wait to get to work. The job now is to tone this, make it look authentically aged. And I know this is going to cause a lot of heartache. Are we really going to tone this? Silver Warrior, are you sure? 1 Drachma, Colossus of Rhodes. I'm going to have to check with you first. I'm going to have to email you, make sure you want me to do what you think I should do to this one. All right, thank you very much for that. I am extremely excited. Again, we love JFK. Me and my little guy here. We're going to get to work. All right, see you guys when we're toning.